Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Teachable to connect Stripe payouts, complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize Teachable to connect Stripe payouts, begin by logging into your Teachable account. Once you're on your dashboard, navigate to the Monetization tab on the left side. Click on Payments within the Monetization section. You will see options for managing your payment methods. Look for the Connect with Stripe button and click it. This will redirect you to the Stripe login page. If you're already logged into Stripe, you may skip the next step. Enter your email and password to log into your Stripe account. After logging in, you will be prompted to grant Teachable access to your Stripe account. Review the permissions carefully and make sure you understand what you are allowing. Once you've reviewed the permissions, click Authorize Access to complete the connection. You will be redirected back to your Teachable account confirmation page, indicating that your Stripe account is now connected. Check to ensure that your payout settings are configured correctly in Stripe. In your Stripe account, navigate to the Payouts section to review your payout schedule. Make sure your bank account information is correct for smooth processing of your payouts. If you need to make changes, return to the Payouts section in Stripe and update your bank details as necessary. Back in Teachable, ensure that your courses are set to receive payments through Stripe by checking your individual course settings. Once everything is set up, perform a test transaction to confirm that the connection is functioning correctly. Monitor your payouts over the next few days to ensure they are being processed without any issues. If you encounter any problems, refer to the help sections of both Teachable and Stripe for troubleshooting. With these steps completed, your Teachable account is fully authorized to connect and process payouts through Stripe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.